Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, by all means, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video though before you do that. For those of you guys who are returning, thank you so much. Welcome back. I really appreciate you hanging out with me for a bit. So guys, today I just happened to see on the news that we are actually nearing the end of our winter season. It's amazing that it's going by so fast. In just a couple of short weeks, we will be in some areas of the country going into daylight saving time where we change the clocks. All right, so my question to you guys is, have you ever felt like you really wanted spring to hurry up and get here? I think I have a solution for you, and I am going to highlight one of my yarny friends that I would like for you guys to go and check out. So, what am I wearing today? I'm wearing the Rachel top by Priscilla of Distinctive Crochet. It's a tutorial as well as written pattern that you can purchase and make one for yourself. I will leave the information in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I make a lot of hats for charity and also just because I like making them. And even though I don't wear a lot of hats, I do have a few that I kind of save for myself and I do wear from time to time. I'm always on the lookout for a new hat style, whether it be color combinations or stitch patterns or things like that. And this is how I found this one. I'm not sure if you guys previously saw my video where I showed some hats that I made last year that got donated to Hat Not Hate. Well, in those hats, I had this beautiful hat with a center flower motif. And again, as I searched around looking for hats, I stumbled upon my friend Gigi the Crochet Queen. She actually did a very beautiful tutorial on a flower center hat. And when I saw it, I just had to make it, guys. So if you guys are looking for a hat, please check it out. Now, let me tell you about this hat. It is very easy to do and it doesn't take you very long at all. So I talked to Gigi and told her I was going to give her a huge shout out because I love the hat. And I actually made the hat the same day I saw the tutorial. So I'm going to pop a picture in so you can see the photo of the hat here. Isn't it beautiful, guys? I just love it. All right, so now let me show you the hat on my mannequin. So this is the hat with a beautiful hydrangea motif here. And this was the inspiration for her hat. These hats are really nice because they're fashionable. They can give you some warmth, but you could also wear them indoors. And so it's got a very nice brim to it that's easy to do, and a beautiful hydrangea pattern. I just love it. I think she did a wonderful job on designing this hat. Now I'm going to show you a newer version of the flower center hat that I made from Hat Not Hate. And I'll pop a picture in of the ones that I did for that particular one here. Okay, so as you can see in that photo, that was the flower center hat that I originally had done. And I just love Gigi's hat as well. So this is the hat that I just created for you guys to see. Now, this one I did in black, and I don't know what type of flower this is supposed to kind of resemble, but also very beautiful hat. It's still got a lot of openness that can provide some warmth, but also not have you overheated. And yeah, this is using Big Twist sparkle yarn. All right. And my other one is using Impeccable. I just love both of them. I think they're just so beautiful. You can dress them up or dress them down any kind of way and look forward to springtime. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Huge shout out to Gigi the Crochet Queen. And I hope you guys check out her video. Let her know that I sent you over there. And please, by all means, make one for yourself and let Gigi know that you did. I think she'll be really happy. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment because I really do enjoy hearing from you guys. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.